As to the question, who will handle the Kadayawan, I think we can, there is somehow gray area because for the celebration of Kadayawan, there is a cultural part. There is also a tourism part. So the challenge there is how can the tourism sector and the culture and arts collaborate with that. So it's not a question of whether si Culture and Arts Office lang or si tourism lang ang mag-handle sa Kadayawan. It has to be a collaboration with the two.
Alright, yes.
Yes, I think although baka kasi nabasa nila yung city ordinance ng Culture and Arts Office na Kadayawan will be managed by the Culture and Arts Office. However, we cannot deny that Kadayawan is a tourism event also. So kailangan lang siguro yung the balance, and it was discussed naman sa Exicom when the office was created by Mayor Baste na at least medyo nagkaroon ng synergy yung dalawang office, and by that nagkaroon talaga ng thorough discussion. So I think there will be no conflict between the Office of the Culture and Arts and the Office of the City Tourism. So yun lang siguro yung, kasi this is the first year of the Office of Culture and Arts, so meron pa talagang mga gray areas na sinasabi ni Attorney Jonah na kailangan pa sigurong ayusin kasi bago kasi siya. So lahat naman tayo pag bago medyo mag-aalanganin, magdadalawang isip, tama ba ito o mali ba ito? Kasi wala tayong pinagbatayan. However, because of our culture, na we really coordinate and unite, and hindi naman tayo nag-aaway-away. So, ayun. Siguro, next year, mas mapaayos pa namin ang Kadayawan at mapaganda pa natin. And magtutulungan lang po tayo.